How you doing? It's Trevor here, and this is one of my special days. It's like this is my birth of my baby day. So this is when my baby gets born, because I've just launched another product, which you might know about because it's already sold well over 100 copies in the first hour or so of us going live. So this is 1 Minute Magic. This is my 1 Minute Magic review, and because this is my baby being born, then I have myself here a glass of beer to celebrate. So I thought I'd do that with you. I've had a great day, and I just want to tell you this as well before we get on to 1 Minute Magic. Let me just tell you this. You know, I have my breakthrough VIP coaching program, all right, and it was going to be 1997, then we thought 997, and then we thought 497, so that everybody's got a real chance of coming in and making some progress online. And I introduced a coupon. That coupon drops it down by $100, so you can get in at 397. All right. Now that coupon expires, I think it's Sunday, and then that's it. All right. So it's going to go back up to 497. So let me tell you about my day before we talk about 1 Minute Magic. Okay. I have had a nice day. Breakfast, and I've been out. I've done a 9 kilometer bike ride. I jump started 2 cars, took 1 car out, filled it up with petrol. Been on an hour-and-a-half coaching webinar where I was getting coached for a change, so that I can coach you guys even better. This coaching actually cost me thousands, so you can rest assured that you're going to get some good training from me. And I've launched a product. I've taken my dog for a walk. I've had a nice day. More importantly, I've made money all day long while I've been doing that, and I've made money because I made that transition from consumer to creator. All right, and I just wanted to say that before we go into 1 Minute Magic, because it's very, very important. If you want to follow in my footsteps and follow in that path and achieve, just even if it's $100 a day, I'm sure that will make a big difference to you. Then why not join my breakthrough training? All right. So I will put a link beneath this video as well. You need to go through my special link, not just any link, my special link, to make sure you get all the special bonuses. So I'm going to put a link through to my latest video that tells you everything about that. Now, moving on, okay, 1 Minute Magic. Now, this is lovely. This is so lovely. And Mark Furness, my friend Mark, he is such a lovely guy. He really is. And I've got to tell you this, he's had some tough times lately. I'm not going to go into any details, but he handles things very, very well considering what he's been through, and I really, really respect him. So let's really make this pop. And if you like the idea of what I'm about to show you, then grab it, because we want to get deal of the day for him. All right, want to get to #1 on Warrior Plus. So what is 1 Minute Magic? Well, it's about TikTok. Now you're going to think TikTok, all right, that's about people like doing silly dances and all that sort of thing, right? And all this kind of stuff that they do. And I mean, it's not me doing it obviously on there, but it's not just that. He's managed to go in there and he's built a following of 2,000 people, and he's earned over $300 from a standing start in a period of 7 days from scratch. All right, and he's recorded how he did it in a case study. We've bundled it up and we've called it 1 Minute Magic. The reason it's 1 minute is because the longest video that you can actually put on TikTok is 60 seconds, so 1 minute, but you can use 50 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, 1 minute. Okay, and what he does, nothing special. It just gets his phone, it records his laptop, and you don't even have to use your voice. So there's no face on cam. You don't have to use your voice. It's really, really simple, and it covers absolutely everything in there, right? So I'm going to quickly show you the sales page. The reason that I'm going to show you this, right, is because I want you to have a look at the sales video, because obviously this is done by me, as you'll tell when you're listening to it. But I just wanted, what do you think of my northern accent? Now, if you're from the United States or you're not from the UK, then you might not even notice a different accent. They might sound a bit different. I don't know. I should have gone stronger, I suppose. But there is a conversation between me and somebody else, but obviously that both parts are played by me. And then Mark comes in with his bit. So have a little listen to that. Headline wise, you know what I'm like with headlines, right? I don't like those big, stupid, bold earn thousands in a couple of seconds with 2 clicks. And this being my launch, my website, my sales page, I can say, you know, can you spare a minute for a surge of free traffic? Discover how he's getting paid $25 over and over with this stupidly simple 60-second method. All right, it's realistic, isn't it? You know, $25, that's real. $300 in a week, that's real. All right, but this is real. This is real. That's what I'm saying to you. This is real. He really did this, and he did a case study. So, you know, if you want to earn some money online and you want to tap into the hottest thing on the planet at the moment. In fact, I had an analogy as to how hot it is. 1 second. Right, I said TikTok is hotter than a jalapeno's armpit at the moment. Right, so hotter than a jalapeno or jalapeno, however, you know, wherever you are, you want to say that. But it's hot, yeah, because of the lockdown. Everybody is like on TikTok. Everybody wants to be a star, and they're doing these little videos and stuff. It's absolutely exploded. But what we didn't realize was that you can use it for the make money online niche and other niches as well. Now, in the front end, we show you how to use this for the make money online niche. In the upsells, we've got a fantastic upsell that's going to show you other niches, really, really clever stuff. And this is, I've got to say, absolutely fantastic quality. All right, and it works. All right. Now, I've got some of my chafe on it. I would say this, all right? If I wasn't so snowed under with projects that I've got going on at the moment, and I've got a very big project on at the moment, I would be doing this myself, all right? It's only because I have to be very, very disciplined and say, Trev, no. No. You've got this thing going on that you've got to get done. And that's going to help you guys as well if you join me in Breakthrough. But I have to be very strict and say, no, I can't do that. But if you are someone who's looking to make some extra money online, your first dollars online, if you've never made a cent before, then this is for you. If you've made some money, but you'd like to earn some more money and do it easily, this is for you. If you've made some money, but you love the idea of like, if I did this, I'd make $100 in a few days, this is for you. If you'd like to follow in the footsteps of somebody that did this from scratch, that had not been into TikTok before, and went and turned this into $300 in 7 days, for real, this is not BS, all right? No BS here at all. Mark did it, all right? If you fancy that, then this is for you, all right? This is for you. I'm telling you, it's for you. So let's have a quick look here. We're going to go over to the sales page. I'm not going to spend any time. I never spend any time here, as you know. There's me, there's Mark. You know, it's the usual stuff. It actually is. These are his earnings and these are his screenshots. So, you know, this gives you an idea of what can be done. And, you know, the usual stuff. All right. So you go through that. Oh, there's some lifestyle pictures of me. Let me tell you, just in case you're curious. Here's me at the Gherkin in London. Oh, what a wonderful building. What a wonderful day. Here's me at a local restaurant for my birthday. Here's me with my daughter having horse riding lessons. Here's me doing the zip wire. See that lake there? I did the zip wire all the way down across that lake. All right. That's, you know, dangling. Here's me at the Royal Albert Hall. Pre-corona, clearly. So there's my lifestyle pictures. You know, this is just to build an idea of oh, here's Bobby. Watch Bobby's review, right? Bobby's giving us a review. He could change his thumbnail there maybe because he looks a little bit serious, but yeah, watch Bobby's review there because that'd be an eye-opener. And there's all the details on the modules, all right? But I'm going to take you inside anyway. We're going to come over here and we're going to see what we've got. So we've got the welcome, we've got the case study, and then we've got day 3 and day 7. So these videos are going to take you through and show you exactly what's what and exactly what he was able to do from a standing start and how you can do the same. Then we've got getting started. We're going to understanding TikTok. So you've got everything you need to know. Setting up your profile, the For You page, multiple links, points equals prizes. And then we go on to simple video creation, recording, how I create simple video clips, audio without being on camera or talking, right? So if you're one of these people that doesn't want to be on camera, you don't want your face on camera, you don't want your voice on camera, this is for you, all right? This is for you. So, and also using slides, okay? And after the video is uploaded, under the radar hashtags. And then if we come into best practice guide, we have a best practice guide here as well. TikTok best practice and how to automate TikTok. All right, so that is the course there in a nutshell. It's as I said, very solid course. What pleases me is that it does actually work and that Mark did do this, so it's completely BS free. All right, so now for my bonuses over here, let me show you what I've got for you for my bonuses. When you buy this, you'll get instant access to my bonus document. When you come into here, all you need to do to activate these links, by the way, is if you just click on it, it brings this pop-up, all right, and then you just click on that to load the page. So if you didn't get a chance to go through the OTOs, you can get another chance when you come in here. What you need to do is just click on this link first to go through and cookie yourself to me to make sure that you didn't get infected with somebody else's cookies in the meantime, all right, so that you don't miss out on any special OTO bonuses. So you just click on that, go through, and then come back in. You can click on these OTOs. Now, bonuses, I've got Trev's tips for shy reviewers. All right, so this is perfect for this TikTok method. I've got Trev's tips for review bonus pages and YouTube reviews, and this also lends itself to this method. I mean, at the end of the day, if you think about this, what we're doing here is we are looking at a platform that's very similar to YouTube, but much simpler, scaled right down, you know, just 60 seconds maximum for the videos that you can produce. So that really is an amazing thing. Mark's got 2,000 followers in a week. To get 2,000 subscribers on YouTube would take you months, you know, unless you really knew what you were doing. So this is a really big opportunity for you to kind of do what you could do on YouTube, but much easier, much quicker, and without having your face or your voice or anything on camera. Then I'm going to give you Intrinsic. I'm going to give you Intrinsic OTO 1, OTO 2, and OTO 4. Massive value there. Then I'm going to give you how to make money with Clickbank, solo ads, private training, fast and easy Google Ads case study. All right, this really works for promotions. It's fantastic. How to earn $100 a day with messenger bots. How I create my e-covers. My top recommendation for text-to-speech software. Then I'm going to give you my award-winning PIMPR and my PIMPR OTO 1, the video training. Then I'm going to give you how to make money online with Warrior Plus, how to make money online for beginners, tips to increase your affiliate sales instantly, how to create digital products to sell online fast, the blueprint to making money online in 2020. Then I'm going to give you my traffic bundle worth $335. That's got Google Ads, chatbots, best free traffic, solo ads, Traffic Genie. Going to give you my affiliate marketing bundle worth $469. My email marketing bundle worth $469, and then gateway front end and OTO 1, and iPassive front end and OTO 1, because they're all about YouTube, but this is actually really close to what we're doing in TikTok. So this is going to enable you to take TikTok and then scale up over to YouTube. Then I'm going to give you how to create your own high converting videos, everything you need to know. So if you do want to get on camera, then you can doing that. 3-step ranking guide to YouTube, and then Tube Dollars, and UTotal SEO, which is ranking on YouTube, and then YouTube ranking power pack, and then how to make review videos, and then YouTube commissions, and then URank, and then YouTube weapon, and that's it. Now, you're going to get all those bonuses, but only if you get it through my link, all right? This is my product, but these are my bonuses through my affiliate link. So you get all of that if you get it through my link. Just going to quickly tap on the OTOs, and then I'm going to let you run off and get this because, as I said, it's already sold hundreds. So the front end is a step-by-step over-the-shoulder video course complete with case study to making money on TikTok very quickly whilst making simple video clips. No need to be on camera or talking with this method. The OTO 1 is done for you, make money online videos, right? You get 20 videos that you can use straight away, and it comes with research products as well. So you've got 20 videos and the product to link it up to, and also included in there are high-ticket commission products and monthly recurring. All right, so that's a lovely upgrade. Would definitely go for that one. Then OTO number 2 is the hot niches outside of the MMO. So outside of making money online, this is where we're going to be showing you products to promote and lead magnets, and niches like dog niche and sleeping, and how to get memes that you can use, and the whole thing. It really is taking things to the next level. Numerous methods to creating TikTok videos as well, being on camera or talking, and full automation. All right, and then OTO number 3 is my all-time favorite, obviously the commission, the license rights. I did say I'd never do this again. I don't know how many of these I'm going to let go. So if there's a buy button there, then grab it. If there's not, then I'm sorry, they went. Okay, so they're the OTOs. That is my very quick review for my new baby. I'd just like to say cheers. Go and get it now. You're going to love this. It's absolute quality, simple, fast, won't take you long to get through the videos, won't take you long to get started and earning money. And I thoroughly recommend that you go and get it now. Obviously, you've got my incredible bonus bundle to go there with it as well. So it makes it a no-brainer. And it's just $12.95, all right? So get in quick before my bonuses go, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best, Trevor.